Hey everyone, my name is Aryak and I'm the CEO of Create. My journey with Create was kind of a roller coaster. Initially, we thought we'd have no clients, but as the time moved on, we got the opportunity to spread our knowledge to six clients. We even got an opportunity to collaborate with one of the companies in this project. And yeah, our marketing team and our finance team and our social media team, our designer for sure, helped us a lot in this journey. I'm glad to have a team like this, and yeah, it was a fun ride all along. It was a great opportunity to work with these people and yeah, to learn about business and how to run it. Thank you all for giving me this great chance.
So, my name is Vipanshu Dupar and I am the financial head of the company Create. Our company Create used to teach designing to the enthusiast or those people who wants to learn designing. We have a team of 6 members in which everyone have different roles. My role is of financial. I used to handle all the payment related issues and used to accept payments by our customers. We used to work as a team together to uplift our company and plays major role and everyone plays major role with each other. We used to help everyone in the company with all kind of stuffs like marketing, designing, management and financial problems if we used to face while accepting the payments.
My name is Ayush Pandey and I'm a technical head of this group. My role is to provide all the information regarding the software that we are using here and held all the meeting on the time and arrange it. Apart from this, in working in a team is give us teaching a lot, just like how we can trust each other ability and skills. We can easily communicate with each other, teach us teamwork, team spirit and many more things. The last but not least, our famous typhoon, Mr. Ratan Tata, says that if you want to go far, go together, and if you want to go fast, go alone.
First of all, I want to thank Ms. Nidhi Sinha ma'am for giving me a chance to enhance my skills. Now, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Arjun Singh. I am marketing head of our company Create. Being a part of this company, I got to learn a lot and gained some new experiences, worked with different people and different mindsets. My role in this company was to advertise the company services and bring clients for our company. During this time period, I interacted with a lot of people. I advertised our services on different platforms such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Bought some customers with which benefited the company, explained general public what our services were and why they were good for them. It was a good experience working at this position. I learned some marketing skills now, and when it's time about experience, why not quote a very famous saying? A leader is not the one who leads, but one who makes leader. I wanted to address that while working for this project, I got to know my teammates and my teamwork qualities. I understood the team spirit and it's important in our life. And moreover, now I know how to sell a product or a service to a general public, which will definitely benefit me in future. It was a great experience working on this project. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Satya Savit and I'm from batch EB10. I am the social media head of a company called Create. A company's main aim is to provide digital art and services related to it, as well as teach Photoshop to those who are interested in learning it. Each and every member of a team has played a very crucial role in helping a company get to where it is now, in which my role was to put our company on various popular social media sites so that it could reach out to a wider audience and get recognition through it. Although at first I was a bit skeptical of the idea on which a company is based, but over the past month, as we have overcome through many challenges, I have come to realize how much of a fun journey it was and how much I had learned along the way. And that skepticism has reduced to almost nil now. This project on startup company has been a very teachable moment for me, as at first I used to think that I could handle difficult times on my own But after experiencing teamwork and communicating with others, I have come to realize how much wrong I was. And now lastly, I would like to thank Nidhi Sinha ma'am for this wonderful opportunity which has taught me many things.
I am Dhan Tyagi and I worked as designer and tutor for Create. The goal was to make more people aware of the field. Working with the team helped me to get to know how organizations function and how, besides being totally different individuals, people work together for a common goal as one. Coming to the team, everyone performed exceptionally well. Not our best, but we tried. We discussed our flaws and worked on them. Overall, it was a beautiful experience. Our CEO Aryak, more of a friend, maintained environment which was so employee friendly that we worked very efficiently. Our finance head Bipanshu, again an amazing guy, kept the team together and kept the work going. Ayush Pandey, I have a song for this guy, but I cannot ask my editor to put it here since I am the editor, so I'll put it here. So he was literally one call away and he managed, I don't know how did he do this all, but he managed all the meetings, organized all the meetings, managed the links and glitches, tackled the glitches and bugs we faced during the meet. Arjun Singh, our PR head, and Satya Savit, our multimedia head, social media head, worked very closely, and these guys worked very hard to get us breaks also from work, but that's a different thing. These guys worked very hard to get clients for our work. The team overall was exceptional and we coordinated very well. We had a few flaws, we accept them and we try to overcome them. I guess the experience would be very helpful for our coming future. For the conclusion, Karmanyavadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karmafal heturbhu mate sangosto karmani. So this is where we conclude this. Karm karte raho aur phal ki chinta mat karo. Thank you.